Welcome to Access Granted Systems. This is part 2 in our demonstration video series. And in this video, we're going to be showing you how classic passes work and also how ePasses work. But don't forget, some of our clients also use our check-in software or our application portal with no passes. So those are your three options: the classic pool pass, the ePass, but also no passes whatsoever. Okay, the clients that utilize the barcode check-in system, so that a lot of times they get issued a very simple pool pass, so just with the barcode, patron's name, and the logo. So very simple, because all the information is housed on the check-in software to give that gate attendant the correct information to let them in. And then some of our clients that don't use the check-in system, they get issued a photo ID pass to prevent that pass sharing, so their passes look a little different. But also we have ePasses as well, and those are iWallet passes or Android wallet app passes that people can download and keep on their smartphone. Okay, so let's get into our software here. Let's see how a family receives those ePasses. And so one way to do it is to manually send them to the family. And so we have a family here that's a family of 3. So Jesse, John, and Sally. And if we cycle through here, we have all 3 people. So they're ready for their ePasses. And so I'm going to go ahead and click the icon here to send them their 3 ePasses. And where they're going to be delivered is Jesse's email here, so she can download it to her iPhone. And then she could also send it to her other family member, so John, the other adult in her family. Okay, so I'm going to hit the send button, and her passes are on the way. Okay, so it's really that simple. Now I can move on to the next family and send them their passes. All right, I'm going to show you one more way to send ePasses from the check-in software here. And then in this, under operations here, so we can send ePasses to your entire memberships. And so let's say you're a swim club and you have 250 households, you can click this button and send it to them all at once. If you don't want to send ePasses to memberships that are expired, you would check this here. And if you do not want to send ePasses to suspended members, you could check that as well. And so if we want everybody to get them, we would uncheck them and hit that send button. Okay. Now, the other way to send ePasses is through our application portal. And so I'm going to go ahead and open that and show you how that works. And this is the application portal. From our previous video, we learned how to process an application. So I'm going to go through that with this newly submitted application here. And I'm going to go ahead and sync it with PoolPass. And for our 27 Sample Street, I'm going to go ahead and create a new membership and approve these 3 members. So there's Jesse, there's John, and there's Sally. Okay. And then when I continue and create that new membership and approve it, so when I hit that green button and I hit this OK button, not only is this the confirmation email that congratulations, they've become members, they're also going to get their ePasses as well. So it's no additional steps for the property manager. Okay, so hitting that OK button also sends the ePasses. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and back out of here, and let's talk about classic passes that Access Granted System prints and mails directly to the patron home. Okay, I'm going to reprocess this application here. So over at 2010 Sample Street, I'm going to go ahead and create a new membership. And here are 3 people that are requesting access to your facility. And I'm going to go ahead and approve those 3. And clients that have pass printing enabled, when Jessie does submit that a pool application, it's going to mark that she would like a pool pass. And so same thing with John and same thing with Sally. If you are a non-pass printing client, these would be unchecked as a default. And then when you're approving applications, you always have the option of checking or unchecking these passes here. So let's say for whatever reason you didn't want Sally to get a pool pass, you would simply uncheck that button. Okay, but all 3 of these are checked. And so I'm going to go ahead and continue past the household. And on the confirmation screen here, we are going to be mailing 3 passes here to this family. And so this facility does have pass printing enabled. And so when I hit that create button and I hit this OK button, that sends an alert to Access Granted Systems to print and mail a pass directly to Jesse's homes. So very easy for our property managers. And that's all for this demo, and thanks for watching.